So guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in front of us here, we have our new project. It's an old car jack from the 1960s, and it's missing its handle, so we're going to have to fabricate a new handle. It has a kind of a ratchet system on it. I'm going to try and get that working. As you can see, it kind of has two threads there, runs into each other. Small enough jack in fairness, but do you know what? It's worth restoring. And I'd like to see if it can work, and if it works, then I'll go ahead and maybe paint it up as well. So yeah, let's get it try and get it working. So guys, welcome back. I've gone very well with this ratchet screw jack. It's a Shelley, that's what it says on it. Shelley. It's a ratchet one. So as you can see, this little pin, I got him to be freed out, and I realized there's a little tab underneath that runs on this mechanism, and then so when it goes under the car, all you have to do is go back like this, and it slowly screws up the jack. And then when you want to lower it down, you just flip it round to the other side, the teeth slots in again, and then it goes in the opposite direction. So now all I need to do is make myself a new handle first. I need a new hacksaw blade, obviously, and this hacksaw blade has nearly seen 6 months of work, just on and off with models and stuff. But finally I found a few other hacksaw blades I actually bought about there last year, and I lost them then, and I was wondering for a long time. So there's a big difference between them and this bowl blade. There's probably a few teeth left in it, but I'm just going to change it. So yeah guys, I'll see you up there in the yard. Hopefully I'll cut out a new handle, and yeah, we'll be back here and try and hook it on. So yeah. So guys, as you can see here, I have the jack out. I've fabricated myself a new handle, and made a little holder and all for it on the side. As you can see, she just slots on like that, and it stays together. And I'll just take that out, and then I'll just slot it on there, and then I have ratchet. The ratchet is working perfect now. I got that fixed after oiling it up. So yeah, perfect little handle. A few little adjustments. I'll probably put a bit of like a kind of a grip here eventually. Just seeing it can hold up the axle on the old Leyland, which is perfect. So then I can actually at least do servicings on the front axle of certain tractors. Like, that's all its limit really. It's not a massive jack, but I think that's good enough for what it's worth. Like, and then you just flick this little tab over, this tap, and that changes your direction of your teeth. And if I just, yeah, and then she's clucked back in, and then I start ratchet. Doing the ratchet the opposite way, the screw will come down, and it'll come down, and I think that's a much safer system than a hydraulic jack, as hydraulics can lose pressure and go down very quickly. This one you're doing it nice and easy. It's very solid overall. Ideal, and I'm going to weld on a little plate to the bottom of it, like a square. I think will look better. But it was a fluke. This just a piece of steel I found. And it just slots on perfect, and then obviously that little tab there, that little nut, so that when it sits in like this, she sits in perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to take her off now, and yeah, we'll hopefully get it painted. So yeah guys, and I hope you're enjoying the video.
I have talked to you about drinking and talked to you about drinking, and you've never listened to me. Today I will show you a practical experiment. I have here a glass of water, a glass of whiskey, and an ordinary old common worm. Now you watch when I put that worm in the water. Pick him out. He's still alive. Now watch if I put him in the whiskey. Pick him out. He's dead. What is the message behind that? And a fella stands up and he says, if you drink whiskey, you'll never get worms.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams.
Look how perfect that is. So as you can see, guys, she lifts it right up. That extra handle definitely does wonders when bringing it up, so happy days. That's pretty good, especially like I'm not expecting it to do the rear axle. But once it's able to lift or prop up a front axle when I'm working on it, it'll be perfect. As you see, it's looking really well. Next thing is this tractor, you know, that's the next job. Just try to see if it would lift out Leyland. And as you can see, she's holding her there pretty solid. There's no movement or anything. I don't even think it really needs a kind of a wedge in the bottom. It needs to be on concrete block, obviously. But other than that, that's perfect. Yeah, she done the job. So yeah, now I'm just gonna let it back down, and yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. See ya.